Today I'm going to show you how to combine cover crops to make a special cover crop cocktail. A cover crop is basically a plant that covers the dirt or the soil where you're not using it. And if you ain't using cover crops, you definitely need to. What I got here today is one of my favorites. It's using rye with hairy vetch. Now, hairy vetch is a legume, and what that means is it stores up nitrogen and phosphorus in the root system there and banks it up for you for your next crop. This here rye is a cereal grain, and it works good because it helps your soil from being eroded and it keeps your weeds out. So the combination of these two here is a great cocktail for growing cover crops. So we plant them at the same time together. I rake the seeds in, and when it grows up, and right before it goes to seed, as you can see right here, that rye is fixing to go to seed. It's time to take that cover crop and work it back in. Now what I'll do is I'll take my flail mower and cut it and incorporate it back in. But if you ain't got a flail mower, that's okay. Take your lawnmower and do it. Anything, your tractor with a rotomower, anything you can cut it back down and incorporate it back in is the way to go. The winter rye is a nice sized seed. I'll show you what it looks like. And the hairy vetch is more of a round seed. The hairy vetch is an annual. Growing these cover crops is going to help you to have a healthier soil and a more productive garden. If you're interested in any of these products, check the description below. And next week, I'll see you right back here in Greg's garden.